Dear friends, I'm reaching out with a deeply personal message, not just as someone in ministry, but as a husband, a father, and a friend who has spent the last decade walking a road of full-time service to God and people. Since 2022, we've been facing some of the toughest challenges we've ever experienced, especially financially, as a family and as a ministry. It's been a long stretch of difficulties, and instead of easing, it's felt like one hit after the other. Now, it's highly recognized that the enemy targets spiritual leaders and people in ministry especially hard. And this is for obvious reasons. Now, alongside these personal struggles, I've picked up something in the air. Recently, some uncertainty or even quiet judgment, if I can say that, from parts of my network. Now, I want you to know that I get it. It's human nature. When things go wrong, it's easy to wonder, what did they do wrong? But in our case, I want you to understand it's not about bad choices or missteps. It's about a combination of tough external factors that are out of our control. Now, allow me to share a bit of context. As you know, South Africa's financial climate has been getting harder and harder. Many families, as you know, are feeling the pinch, and ministries that rely on donations like ours are deeply affected. Now, the nature of our ministry is a bit different from others, as many of you will know. Other ministries that you may support in the past, it's not flashy and it doesn't translate easily into big social media posts or YouTube clips. Why, you may ask? Because of our work that happens in quiet and often intensely personal spaces. Let me try and explain briefly. The main categories of our ministry include street and internet evangelism, spiritual counseling, mentorship and discipleship, agreements with children homes, and then of course preaching crusades. Now with street evangelism, here we meet people one-on-one and we share the gospel on the street. With internet evangelism, I'm regularly volunteering with the Billy Graham Evangelical Association, where I help lead people to Christ through online conversations globally. And this is another unseen yet incredibly impact part of my mission on a weekly basis, on a regular basis. Spiritual counseling is conducted in person and via WhatsApp calls day and night. These are often deeply vulnerable and private conversations. Our weekly mentorship and discipleship with kids and children homes prohibits us from taking photos or any videos. Now, of course, preaching crusades and outreaches are exceptional, but they're slightly less frequent due to budget limits. Now, I know in today's world, friends, people are often moved to give when they see the work, the videos, the photos, the numbers, the updates. But our ministry, it just doesn't lend itself to that kind of visibility. Suppose we started filming our street outreach or sort of recording counseling sessions. In that case, we'd be violating the trust that makes those moments sacred. We try to share what we can through newsletters, updates, and occasional photos or videos. But those moments only capture a small fraction of what happens on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, if it's been a little quiet on social media, if you've been wondering why you don't see more of us online, I hope this helped a little bit to just give you a clearer picture of what we do. And now, I want to be real with you. We need your help. This calling isn't something we can carry alone. We've been doing all we can, pouring out our hearts into this work and trusting God daily. But we need people who believe in what we're doing to stand with us financially, prayerfully, and practically. We're not asking out of desperation, but of faith. We believe that the body of Christ work together, and if we do, we can keep going, even when the road is tough. Your support helps us keep the ministry going, care for our family, and share Jesus with those who need him the most. Now, if this message has resonated with you, please consider becoming one of our Kingdom Financiers, those who partner with us monthly to help carry the weight of this calling. Even the smallest monthly pledge can make a real difference. It's not about the size of the gift, but the consistency and the heart behind it. Your ongoing support gives us the stability we need to keep reaching people daily with the hope of the gospel of Jesus Christ. We're so grateful for those who have stood with us already, and we're trusting that God will stir the hearts of those meant to come alongside us now. Thank you for watching this, and thank you for caring. Shalom.